Have you ever seen a crocodile?
They're huge. They're monsters.
Crocodiles are large semi-aquatic reptiles with long jaws, a long tail, short legs, and horny textured skin, using submersion and stealth to approach unseen prey. They live throughout tropics like in Africa, Asia, Americas, Australia, but did you know crocs weren't always this way?
Yeah, I know. Believe it or not, but many believe that crocodiles may have once walked on two legs and have been terrestrial animals.
Well, many believe that crocodiles have evolved from dinosaurs.
That would make sense. They both look very similar.
Yeah, except for one thing. Dinosaurs went extinct due to a catastrophic event, a giant meteor that caused dramatic changes in the climate environment.
So why are crocodiles still here? If they were alive when dinosaurs went extinct, you might be asking.
Simple, natural selection.
So, what is natural selection?
Natural selection is the process where organisms with favorable traits are more likely to reproduce. In doing so, they'll pass on the traits to a next generation. Over time, this allows organisms to adapt to their environment.
Oh, I get it. So, if I was a mouse and I lived in the desert and I had black fur, it would be easy for animals to spot me. But over time, I would adapt to the environment and get a lighter fur complexion, like a tan, making it more difficult for animals to spot me, allowing me to produce offspring.
Exactly. So if we look at a modern-day crocodile compared to that of a dinosaur, we can see the drastic differences in their characteristics they had and developed in order to survive the massive changes in this environment. Basically, what had wiped out the dinosaurs.
A crocodile has a strong, flat tail for paddling and swimming, while a dinosaur has a pointed tail.
Crocodiles have another aspect that is very different from that of a dinosaur. Many dinosaurs were terrestrial. They had strong vertical legs and arms that kept their bellies off the ground for more efficient movement on land, while crocodiles have evolved more of a horizontal stance with their bellies close to the ground for efficient movement in the water. They had also inhabited webbed feet, which also allows quick and speedy movements.
Crocodiles also adapted to having different nostril positioning, which allows them to breathe above water level while staying hidden.
All these adaptations have led us to believe that crocodiles were able to survive because they went into the water. Most dinosaurs lived on land and ate plants. When the meteor drastically hit, it changed the environment, killing a lot of the life that relied on sunlight as ash clouds covered the skies. Well, since plant life ceased to exist, it affected all other life that relied on plants. Eventually, herbivores ceased to exist. This brought a downfall to the life that carnivores usually hunted and ate.
Crocodiles were able to go where most dinosaurs, like the T-Rex, were unable to. They were able to go into the water where there was plenty of food, like fish. Crocodiles were able to escape the horrible conditions caused from the meteor, allowing them to stay hidden from extinction for many years and thrive once conditions were habitable.
And because crocodiles had what it took to survive nature's changes, they thrived, while dinosaurs, we are all familiar with, vanished by the hands of natural selection.